Hello dear fans. How to determine the volume of a cube. A cube is a three-dimensional geometric figure composed of 6 faces, hexahedron, of regular shape. The face-limited internal space of such a polyhedron can be calculated with information about some of its parameters. In simple cases, knowledge of just one of them is enough. This is the peculiarity of volumetric figures with faces of the same shape. Instructions. Step 1. If it is possible to find out from the conditions of the problem or to measure independently the length of any edge, of the cube, you will immediately have at your disposal the length, width, and height of the polyhedron. To calculate the volume, V, of a hexahedron, multiply these 3 parameters, that is, simply cube the length of the edge, V equals a superscript 3. Step 2. It is also possible to calculate the volume of this figure from the area of the face, S. Since the area of a square is equal to the second power of the length of its side, you can express the length of the edge of the cube in terms of it, A equals square root S. Substitute this expression into the volume formula from the previous step to get this equality, V equals square root S, superscript 3. Step 3. The known length of the diagonal, L, of one face is a sufficient parameter to find the volume of a cube because, according to the Pythagorean theorem, it is possible to express the length of the edge of this volumetric figure through it, A equals L slash square root 2. Raise this expression to the third power to get the required value, V equals L slash square root 2, superscript 3. Step 4. The diagonal, L, is not a single face, but a hexahedron as a whole. This is a line segment that connects 2 vertices that are symmetrical about the center of the figure. The length of such a segment is more than the length of one edge by the number of times equal to the root of the triplet. Therefore, to calculate the volume of the figure, divide the length of the diagonal by the root of 3, and cube the result, B equals L slash square root 2, superscript 3. Step 5. The total surface area, S, of a hexahedron is made up of 6 face areas, each of which is calculated by squaring the length of an edge. Take advantage of this when calculating the volume of a figure. Find the edge size by dividing the total surface area by 6 and finding the root of that value, then cube the result, B equals square root S slash 6, superscript 3. Step 6. If you know the radius, R, of a sphere inscribed in a cube, raise it to a cube and multiply by 8. The result will be the volume of this polyhedron, V equals R superscript 3 asterisk 8. It is even easier to express the volume through the diameter, D, of such a sphere, since its size is equal to the length of the edge of the hexahedron, V equals D superscript 3. Step 7. The formula for calculating the volume along the radius, R, of a sphere described about a cube is a little more complicated. After raising it to the third power and multiplying it by 8, divide the resulting value by the cube of the root of the triple, V equals R superscript 3 asterisk 8 slash square root 3, superscript 3. Thanks for watching.